Hello everyone, we will talk about Johnson Control VFD alarm. So there is one error code HOLD. It is on the VFD display. You can see this hold error code. It means like operation is in lock mode is set. Okay, and or operation is other than stop and reset is invalid. So if you want to resolve this, you can press mode button for the 2 second to release this lock. When you will press this for the 2 second or more than 2 second, it will be resolved. Like this hold is will be released this mode, and your VFD will be set to operational mode. So this could be like hold because of your team and because of any other person. If you will press this mode button, so it will release and it will start working.